Hey, Pixel Boy. I haven't seen you in so long.
I know.
Were you spending all this time playing World of Warcraft?
I think our creator just didn't feel like making new episodes.
That can't be right.
I think it is.
But Degrassi covered World of Warcraft addiction. How could she fail to cover that?
I don't know, and I don't much care. Weren't we supposed to be homemade Flash animation cartoons by now?
I think our creator couldn't figure out how to work her Flash animation software.
That's annoying.
I know.
So where have we been these past few months?
Well, as far as the plot is concerned, you've been obsessed with World of Warcraft and I have been angry at James.
What about Lisa?
What about Lisa?
Are we still together?
I don't know. Are you?
I would like to be with Lisa.
Then I guess you are still together.
Fantastic.
Let's never leave our fans on a cliffhanger again, okay?
Alright.
See you next episode.
Probably not. I think I'm going to be playing World of Warcraft for a while.
How many characters do you have by now?
7 or 8.
You need a life?
You need a hobby.
I have one. I'm a deadpan snarker.
A deadpan snorker?
I've been reading TV tropes.
And you think that I am the one who needs a life?
Do not bash TV tropes. That website is the reason we are making episodes now. I stumbled upon our trop page and remembered that we exist.
What the hell are you talking about?
Never mind.
Goodbye, Pixel Girl.
Goodbye, Pixel Boy.